guys, my name is Emma and today I'm having fun and relaxing. Behind me you can see the amazing view. Yes, I'm in Dubai again. Actually, I want to show you two different indicators how to work with it in order to get the best profits, because we really need money to buy all these things that we can find there. Subscribe to the channel and put your like right now, and also check the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private. I will add it to the Telegram community where I post the trading signals with a very big profitability. It's about 80 and 90%. So let's start our trading. When analyzing the market, we will look at the hints of the indicators, at the signals, and make a decision based on it. So these indicators are already activated. All the settings are by default. And let's remember how it works actually. So Parabolic star shows us the yellow dots when they are under the chart, under our candlesticks. So this shows that the price is gonna move up. When the yellow dots are above the chart, so this shows that the price is gonna move down. And also Parabolic star shows us the histograms of different colors of, for example, it's the green histogram and it shows that the price is gonna move up. This is the increase in volumes. When the red histogram appears, it shows that the price is gonna move down because of this decrease in volumes. So of course you know that these indicators can give us the false signals when, for example, it is the pullback or the price moving in the flat zone, and that's why we should first of all pay attention to the general trading situations, to the levels of support and resistance, and combine these tools very correctly and accurately. And also I want to warn you that these indicators can give us some different signals or can give the signals with a delay, right? When, for example, one indicator shows us a signal to open a trade, while another one is giving it with a delay, yes? Or, for example, they can give different signals, as I've already told you. When, for example, the Parabolic star shows us a signal to open a trade up, while the awesome oscillator indicator shows us that this is a signal to open a trade down. But we can see, due to the trading situation, that the price is gonna move up, right? And these can happen, as I already told you, when it's the pullback or the flat zone, yeah. And we first of all, of course, look at the general trading situation and we make a decision based on the general trading situation, because when you have two different signals and they are opposite each other, yes, we need to look at the situation, at the levels of support and resistance and the potential of the price to move higher or lower. So let's find some different situations. Maybe we will find something with the false signals. So here we can see the very good downtrend. The price touched the support level, then bounced from it up. After this, the price reversed and is moving down. So there are yellow dots above the chart and the red histogram appearing. So this situation signals that the decrease in volumes are growing and the price is gonna move down. So let's open the trade down for 2 minutes, because this is the very good downside potential. The price highs are becoming lower here, and that's why I think that the price will be moving down to the level of support. And also we have chosen the time with the margin for 2 minutes because there can be the flat zone or the pullback. So that is very good. So after the small flat zone, the price moved down and we got the profit here. So the time was chosen correctly, and this is the very good potential for a decrease. The indicator showed the very good entry point, and really decrease in volumes went up and the price went down to the level. So let's go on with another situation. So here we can see the resistance level. So, and here the price has been approaching this level for 2 times for the last 10 minutes. So let's open a trade up because the yellow dots are appearing and the green histogram, yeah, on the display of indicators. So I think the price will move up and the price lows are becoming higher here. This is the upside potential, and right now the price has been sticking to this level, right? And that's why I think there will be the breakthrough of the level, and the price is already going beyond this level. Here you can see the candlestick appearing. So let's check what can happen here. So that is very interesting. As you can see, this level is broken through now and we got the profit, right? So the indicators were very good assistance. They showed the good signals and this situation works. So let's find the next entry point. Well, here we can see the very good uptrend, the amazing one. The price right now after the pullback is at the level, approached this level and is going beyond it, very slowly. So let's open a trade up for 2 minutes and also you can see that yellow dot is appearing and the red histogram is changing into the green one, and it means that the increasing volumes are growing and we also can see the very good upside potential, and that's why we have chosen this movement of the trade with higher movement, right? So let's check what can happen here. So it is very interesting. This level is broken through with very impulsive green candlesticks. So we got the profit here, and after this impulsive breakthrough there was the correction movement. You can see these red candlesticks. This is the pullback down, but we got the profit from this up move and 2 minutes were enough for that. So here we can see the resistance level, and you can also see that the price has been approaching it there, and also it is kind of sticking to this level. So let's open a trade up for 2 minutes here. I think that very soon this level will be broken through because the yellow dots are appearing and the green histogram on the display, and also it signals that very soon the price is gonna move up. And also we should pay attention that lately the price has been moving quite confidently, right? So let's check what can happen here. So guys, from this level there was the pullback down, but then price moved higher and we closed these trades profitable. So the closure point of our trades were higher than the entry points, and it is the profit. This situation is profitable, right? And you can also notice when there was the pullback, there was the red histogram on the display, and this is this very false signal because you can see that the price has been moving up and we didn't notice this signal of indicator. Here we can see the resistance level, and after the pullback the price approached this level and is going beyond it right now. The yellow dots are appearing and the green histogram show up. So let's open a trade higher for 2 minutes. I think that price will break this level through and then move higher, yes, with this movement. And because this is the very good upside potential and the price lows are becoming higher here on the chart, and I think that 2 minutes will be enough for that, even despite the fact that there can be the flat zone, right? And also in this situation you could see that the indicator or some oscillator shows the red histogram, so we can also count it as the false signal, because even despite the fact that we can see this red histogram, the price has been moving up, and we first of all look at the situation on the chart, right? So indicator as we know it, it's just an accelerate tool, and first of all we conduct the technical analysis. So guys, it's very good. You can see that this level is broken through. Now we got the profit here. This situation is called the breakthrough of the resistance level, and when you really conduct this correct analysis, the situation works perfectly well. Let's continue. So here we can see the resistance level. Let's open a trade for 1 minute with higher movement, because you can see that the price is going beyond this level, and this is the breakthrough. So we can see that under the chart these are the yellow dots, and we can see the green histogram on the display, and it also the signals that very soon we can expect the price movement up. So it's the impulsive movement, yes. So the price has been moving up very confidently, and I guess that 1 minute will be enough for that, and we will close this trade profitable on this up move. So that is very good. So this level is broken through with these very impulsive good candlesticks as we have analyzed it. So we worked out the breakthrough of the resistance level, and the indicators were right. They showed us very good entry points. So let's go on with another situation. Let's find something interesting. So here we have the resistance level on the chart, and you can see that right now the price has been moving up and approaching this very level. There is a room to the resistance level. Also, the yellow dots are on the chart and the green histogram is on the chart. So let's open a trade up for 3 minutes, and I think that very soon the price will be moving up to the resistance level directly, and this is the very good upside potential here on the chart. And we can see that when there was the pullback down, the red histogram, you can see that, and it is again the false signal of the indicator. The price has been moving up and it is main movement, right? So guys, it is very good. As you can see, the price moved to the level. We closed these trades profitable. So after that, there was the pullback down. Maybe in this situation, we could open a trade for 2 minutes, but I did it with a reserve. So some situations are closed very confidently, some are not so much, and it's okay. The main thing that we got the profit here, and let's check our deposit. It's $15,000. So let's find the last trade for today, and I will explain you how to close it profitable. Well, here we have the support level on the chart, and you can see that after the first touch the price bounced up, and now the price is again moving down to the level. This is the potential for a decrease, very good one, and the yellow dots are appearing above the chart and the red histogram is appearing. So let's open a trade down for 2 minutes, and I think that very soon the price is gonna move to the level in order to break it through, and this is the potential for a decrease. We can see it correctly, the price highs are becoming lower, and this is kind of also the squeeze in the level, yes, and I guess that 2 minutes will be enough for this situation. So guys, it's amazing. This level isn't broken through yet now, but we got the price movement down, and thanks to it we got the profit. So, and you can see that the indicators were very good assistance, as I have already told you. They show us the signals that we can read very correctly. We can see the price movements very clearly, and right now you can see also the breakthrough is appearing, and it means that technical analysis is right. So my deposit now is $20,000, and let's finish for today because it's enough for today for 1 day plan. It's very important to just have this plan and make it completed, right? So it was the analysis with the indicators Oscillator and the Parabolic SAR. It's a very good assistance when you analyze the market, because also it helps you not only to find the very correct signals, but also know when are the false signals, and you know how to find them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now you know how to work with these two indicators. I like connecting indicators and showing you how to get the profit, and I'm really recommending you to repeat all the steps that I have shown you in this video, and then after doing it you can write your feedback in the comments under this video, and also check the link in the description under this video. There I have my Telegram community and you can join it easily. Find the link, get to my personal Telegram messages and write to me the code word private.